Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to set up the Polkadot.Js wallet. It's pretty easy to get this done. All you need to do is head over to Polkadot.Js.org. That's the official website of Polkadot. Once there, we're going to be working with the extension which we can easily download. So click on the Polkadot/extension. So click on this. Alright guys, and you're taken directly to the Polkadot extension where you can easily get the Polkadot extension. It's pretty easy to get this done. All you need to do is click on download for Chrome or download for Firefox if that's the browser you're using. So click on download for Chrome and you're taken to the Chrome Web Store where you could easily click on the add to Chrome option. I already have the extension on my browser, so click on add to Chrome on your side. Once that's done, click on this puzzle piece which says extension, scroll down and click on Polkadot.js extension. So as you can see, I already have a wallet here, but I'll be showing you how to set up your own wallet. So click on the plus icon, click on create new account. If you do not have an account, create new account. And now it's generated a 12-word mnemonic seed, which is just your seed phrase. So make sure you're keeping this safe. Click on I have saved mnemonic seed phrase safely. Please make sure you store this seed phrase somewhere apart from your computer so it doesn't get hacked and you lose all your assets. Now click on the next step. So it says here network, allow use on any chain. Depending on what you want to use your account for, you could set it for the Polkadot relay chain, the Kusama relay chain, Akla and A-Star, and many other chains or many other networks. So I'll just keep it on allow use on any chain, give it a name, so I'll call it the tutorial. And then I'll give it a password. So please make sure you keep your information safe. Okay, and once you've entered your password, click on add the account with generated seed. So click on add the account with generated seed. As you can see here, the tutorial account has been created. All you need to do now is simply head back to the main polkadot.js.org and click on apps wallet hosted. A wallet built on the Polkadot.js stack. This is a version updated alongside any changes to the code. So click on this. Okay guys, and once you're on the Polkadot apps, you'll be prompted to connect your extension. And all you need to do now is quite simple. Yes, allow this application to have access. This means it will have access to your account. That's your account that has been created on the Polkadot.js. So click on yes. Alright guys, and once you've given access to the Polkadot site to connect to your wallet, you get to connect to the Polkadot.js apps. And here we go, we are successfully connected. As you can see here, if you click on the account section and select accounts, you find your extensions, that is the My Polka wallet and the tutorial extension. So here we go. This account is available on all networks. It is recommended to link to a specific network via the accounts option. But right now we're on the main default network, which is the Polkadot relay chain. So that's what we're connected to. But as you can see here, if you click on this icon, that's this drop down, you get to find the chains and connection points. You get to find the Polkadot and the parachains. So guys, and another option of setting up your Polkadot wallet successfully, all you need to do is quite simple. Click on the extensions and open up your Polkadot extension. Once the Polkadot extension has opened, click on the three dot by the icon and click on export account. By doing this, you get to remove your account information, that's the JSON file. You get to move it out and click on I want to export this account. Once you've done this, you're exporting it as a JSON file. As you can see here, it's just downloaded. So please make sure you keep this file off of your computer. A USB stick would work. Make sure you keep it far, safe, and also protect your seed phrase. So guys, you've successfully set up your Polkadot wallets. That's all it takes. Do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.